Welcome to Getting Started with Git Video. We are going to create a first Git repository. Before we do anything else, let's create a directory that is going to store all of our repository. Let's name it as a repo. Once repo is created, navigate to it. Let's go ahead and create a directory called my-git-repos. And let's navigate to this. Yes. So now it is very important to understand this, how exactly we turn a regular directory to a Git repository. So now what you see right now, my Git repo is a regular directory. And now you wanted to turn this regular directory into a Git repository. So the command is simple. It's git init. Perfect. So after executing git init, you will see that it gave you a very powerful output, letting you know that it initialized the empty Git repository at our location. What that git init essentially does. So it transforms the current directory into a Git repository, and this adds a .git subdirectory that I'm going to show you shortly in the current working directory, which is my Git repos. I want to show you something interesting now. So let's say if I do ls, I would really interested in seeing where this .git subdirectory is located. Now let's say ls. So it is not listed. Why don't you see that git.git directory? That's because it's hidden. If you want to see the hidden file in directory, you want to add extra parameter on this command ls-a. And here you can see your .git subdirectory. So basically this is all extra detail. I just thought you would like to know how to view a hidden file directory through command line. Now briefly we'll touch on and discuss what exactly this single dot and double dot means. Single dot is the current directory, which would be my Git repos. Now if you wanted to say cd dot, you would still see that we are at this location because it tells about our current directory. And two dot identify our previous repository, which would be a repo. Now for example, if you say cd dot dot, now you see that you came into previous repository. Now that we have initialized our Git repository, let's add some file, and we'll do that in my next video. Thank you for watching this video.